Coming in on pharma, looking like it's a fairly cautious view coming in on the space as a whole. Continues to remain a bit of a mixed bag for the pharma space, but not at all a mixed bag when it comes to the markets today. In fact, we've seen a very healthy market at hand. It looks like there's absolutely no Monday blues. You've got 10,582 on the index. That's pretty much where we're shutting shop. In fact, we've been confined to a fairly tight range of about 60 points for the entire trading session. We opened at a level of about 10,526. We went on to gain strength and ending pretty much close to the high point of the day. The Sensex has piled on a good 300 points, and we've got the broader end of the market too, showing quite a bit of gusto right now, up 0.7% for the mid caps, and the small cap end of the market up a good 45 points in trade. And you've got a lot of support coming in from most of your sectors in trade. Real estate definitely shines. You have the overall Nifty bank index, autos, media, infrastructure, metals as well, all holding out smartly in the green, seeing a gain of 1% plus. IT though didn't participate today. PSU banks were on the downside, and pharmaceuticals as well took a bit of a backseat in trade today. No doubt, Tata Motors is one of the stars in the trading session. Very smart move is what you've seen, but Maruti by the fag end managed to overtake, shutting shop higher by a good 3.9% at about 9,046. Apart from those two auto names, there's L&T, which has lended a helping hand today. You've got IndusInd Bank firmly in the green, followed by Axis Bank, and HDFC Bank. Z Entertainment goes home with a smart gain of 2.5%. Kotak Bank, M&M and IOC firmly in the green. A small list of losers, but Sun Pharmaceuticals definitely a prominent name, top drag on the index today. Tech Mahindra and TCS along with Infi take it in the chin, and that's the reason that the Nifty, the IT index is down and out. But great going, a healthy market breadth is at hand, and clearly you've got the Friday cheer which is extended to our markets today, and we piggybacked on pretty strong cues from Asia as well. Aisha, so many movers and shakers from the broader end of the market today.
Yeah, absolutely. We're closing in at pretty much the high point of the day when it comes to the market breadth. So within the F&O world, it's almost, less than 50 stocks standing to the red line. So first to the gainers, Arcom goes home with a good 7.7% up in the green on the futures. There's Torrent Power, which gains about in excess of 5.5%. Our Naval has been gaining ground, and that also moves up another 5.5% today. There's also traction on Chennai Petro as well as Equitas. I want to see what Fortis is up to. While we're talking about the movers, this one moved quite a fair bit on Friday, irrespective of news that, the regulator mentioned that the stock is going to be moved out of F&O if they are unable to deliver their earnings come March 1st. Remember, they had asked and sought an extension to report their quarterly numbers. So Fortis goes home with about a 0.5% loss. On the flip side, though, there are losses coming in for Bank of India. Page Industries goes home with a 2% loss, and Pharma is one of the biggest drags. That's down 2.6%. JP Associate loses about 5%. And OBC, with regards to the Simphaoli sugar scam now, that's down about a good 12% in trade.